What is the Kubernetes operator reconciliation loop? Imagine managing a complex application across many servers and cloud environments. How do you keep everything running smoothly without constant manual intervention? That's where the reconciliation loop in Kubernetes operators comes into play. Kubernetes operators are like automated managers for applications and resources. They help automate tasks such as deploying, updating, and recovering services. The reconciliation loop is the core process that makes this automation possible. It runs continuously in the background, making sure the actual state of your cluster matches the desired state you set. Every time you create, update, or delete a custom resource in Kubernetes, the reconciliation loop kicks in. It's triggered by events like when a new database needs to be spun up or a security policy changes. The main function of this loop is called reconcile. Think of it as a smart checklist that runs every time something changes. The first step is observing. The loop checks the current state of the resources and cluster objects. For example, it looks at whether a database pod is running or if a security policy is applied correctly. Next, it analyzes. It compares what it sees with what you want based on the custom resource definitions you've set up. If there's a difference, it moves to act. Acting involves making the necessary changes to bring the cluster into the desired state. This could mean creating new pods, updating configurations, or deleting outdated resources. Once the changes are made, the loop updates the status of the custom resource to reflect the new current state. This process repeats over and over, constantly adjusting to new events and changes. One key feature of the reconciliation loop is that it is idempotent. This means it can run multiple times without causing issues or duplicate actions. Even if the loop runs repeatedly due to multiple events or retries, the cluster will eventually reach the desired state and stay there. In cloud environments like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud, this loop helps automate complex tasks across different platforms. Operators embed domain-specific knowledge, so they can handle things like scaling applications, managing security policies, or recovering from failures automatically. The libraries used to build these controllers manage multiple reconciliation requests at once. They handle concurrency and prevent race conditions, making sure everything runs smoothly without conflicts. Overall, the reconciliation loop is what keeps your Kubernetes cluster aligned with your goals. It continuously drives the system toward the desired configuration, making sure your applications stay reliable and up to date across all your cloud and on-premises environments.